The Fidelity US Bond Index Fund explained FXNAX is a low-cost index fund that tracks the performance of the U.S. bond market. To understand this fund, it is essential to first grasp what an index fund is. An index fund is a type of investment that aims to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500 for stocks or the Bloomberg Barclays US Aggregate Bond Index for bonds. The FXNAX fund specifically tracks the Bloomberg Barclays US Aggregate Bond Index, which is a broad measure of the U.S. bond market. This index includes a wide range of bonds such as U.S. Treasury bonds, corporate bonds, and mortgage-backed securities. One of the key benefits of investing in the FXNAX fund is its low cost. The fund has an expense ratio of 0.025%, which is significantly lower than the average cost of actively managed bond funds. This low cost can help investors save money on fees and potentially earn higher returns over the long term. To invest in the FXNAX fund, you will need to open a brokerage account with Fidelity. Once you have an account, you can purchase shares of the fund online or by phone. The minimum investment requirement for the FXNAX fund is zero, which means you can start investing with any amount of money. In terms of risk, the FXNAX fund is generally considered to be a low to moderate risk investment. The fund invests in a diversified portfolio of high-quality U.S. bonds, which can help to reduce the risk of default. However, as with any investment, there is still a risk that the value of the fund can fluctuate over time. To get the most out of the FXNAX fund, it is essential to have a long-term perspective. Bond markets can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term they have historically provided stable returns. It is also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different asset classes such as stocks and bonds. In conclusion, the Fidelity US Bond Index Fund explained FXNAX as a low-cost and diversified investment option that can provide a stable source of returns over the long term. By understanding how the fund works and using it as part of a broader investment strategy, you can potentially achieve your financial goals and build wealth over time.